Imagine a future where the hum of electric motors replaces the roar of gas engines on our roads. This future is quickly becoming a reality as states across America take bold steps to phase out gas-powered cars. The shift to electric vehicles, EVs, is gaining momentum, driven by concerns about climate change and air pollution. Adding fuel to this electric revolution, an ambitious goal has been set for the United States. 50% of all new vehicle sales should be electric by 2030. But what does this mean for you? In this video, we'll break down the changes happening state by state, giving you a clear picture of when and how these new rules will roll out. We'll also tackle some common worries about electric cars. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Concerns with electric vehicles. The move to electric cars brings excitement, but also raises questions. People worry about charging availability, driving range, and high costs. Grid capacity and battery production impacts are also concerns. Consumer Reports recently found that electric vehicles have nearly 80% more problems than gas-powered ones. EV owners most frequently reported issues with batteries, charging systems, and build quality. These issues could affect consumer confidence. As we look at each state's plans, we'll see how they're working to solve these issues and make the switch to electric cars smoother for everyone. Number 1. California. California is leading the charge in the transition to electric vehicles. In August 2022, the state decided to ban the sales of new gas-powered cars by 2035. This big move aims to fight climate change by targeting a major source of air pollution. The new rule, known as Advanced Clean Cars Chinont, sets clear targets for car dealerships. By 2026, 35% of new cars and light trucks for sale must be zero-emission. This number grows to 68% by 2030 and reaches 100% in 2035. California's bold step has inspired 11 other states to follow its lead. This domino effect could speed up the switch to electric cars across the country, changing the way Americans drive for generations to come. Number 2. Delaware. Delaware joined the electric vehicle movement in April 2023. After a public hearing, the state finalized regulations to adopt California's gas-powered vehicle ban. The plan starts small, requiring a modest number of EVs in 2027. It then ramps up, aiming for 80% of new car sales to be electric or hybrid models by 2032. This gradual approach gives both car dealers and buyers time to adjust. After 2032, Delaware officials will take a close look at how well the initiative is working. They'll use this information to decide if they need to extend or modify the plan. This flexible strategy shows Delaware's commitment to reducing emissions while considering the needs of its residents. Number 3. Washington. Washington wasted no time in embracing the electric future. The state adopted the Advanced Clean Cars Act II regulations right after California passed its initial legislation in August 2022. Under the new policy, car dealerships will only be able to sell new electric vehicles, plug-in hybrids, or hydrogen fuel cell vehicles after 2035. Washington's swift action demonstrates its dedication to combating climate change and improving air quality for its residents. Number 4. Massachusetts. Massachusetts was among the first states to jump on board with California's Advanced Clean Cars Act legislation. The state has a trigger law that automatically adopts any emissions policy enacted by California. While Massachusetts hasn't completely banned gas-powered vehicles, it has set an ambitious goal to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. This initiative kicked off with the 2022 Massachusetts Clean Energy and Climate Plan. The plan sets clear targets: 300,000 electric cars registered by 2025 and 900,000 by 2030. By setting these specific milestones, Massachusetts is creating a roadmap for a cleaner, more sustainable transportation future. Number 5. New York. New York became the fourth state to mobilize towards banning the sale of gas-powered vehicles by 2035. The law passed in the summer of 2023, with Governor Kathy Hochul taking a strong stance on the issue. She announced that all new passenger cars, pickup trucks, and SUVs sold in New York State must be zero-emission vehicles by 2035. The state's plan takes a step-by-step approach. It aims for 35% of vehicle sales to be zero-emission in the next 2 years. This percentage will steadily increase until it reaches 100% in 2035. New York's aggressive timeline reflects its commitment to reducing carbon emissions and improving air quality in one of the nation's most populous states. Number 6. Oregon. Oregon stepped up as the fifth state to enact the Advanced Clean Cars 2 regulations. In December 2022, Oregon's Environmental Quality Commission voted to phase out the sale of gas-powered vehicles within the state by 2035. This decision aligns with Oregon's long-standing commitment to environmental protection. The state already boasts over 50,000 registered electric vehicles and aims to more than quadruple that number, to at least 250,000 in the coming year. Oregon's ambitious targets reflect its recognition of the urgent need to address climate change and reduce transportation-related emissions. Number 7. New Jersey. New Jersey became the sixth state to use Section 177 of the Clean Air Act to ban gas-powered car sales by 2035. The state has set clear milestones on its path to full electrification. By 2027, New Jersey aims to have 43% of new light-duty vehicles registered as electric. This percentage will steadily climb until it reaches 100% by 2035. Currently, electric vehicles account for 12% of new vehicle sales in the state, with 123,000 EV drivers on New Jersey roads. These numbers show that New Jersey is making significant progress in its transition to cleaner transportation. Number 8. Maryland. Maryland joined the electric vehicle movement in March 2023, becoming the seventh state to ban gas-powered cars. The adoption of the Advanced Clean Cars II regulations was announced, citing public health as a key motivator. The state has set an ambitious goal of registering at least 300,000 electric cars by 2035, a significant increase from the current 81,000. Moore highlighted the potential health benefits of this transition, stating that it could save the state nearly $40 million annually in lost productivity due to respiratory and cardiovascular illness. This approach emphasizes the broader benefits of transitioning to electric vehicles beyond just environmental concerns. Number 9. Rhode Island. In May 2023, Rhode Island became the eighth state to use Section 177 of the Clean Air Act to ban gas-powered vehicles. The state put the Advanced Clean Cars II regulations into effect, setting a clear timeline for the transition to zero-emission vehicles. According to this regulation, all new cars sold in Rhode Island must be zero-emission vehicles by 2035. This includes fully electric, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fuel cell electric vehicles. Rhode Island's plan starts with a goal of 35% zero-emission vehicle sales by 2026, gradually increasing to 100% by 2035. This phased approach allows time for infrastructure development and consumer adaptation, making the transition smoother for Rhode Island residents. Number 10. Vermont. Vermont took decisive action in November 2022 when lawmakers approved changes to clean car requirements. The new regulations mandate that all new cars sold in the state must be zero-emission vehicles by 2030. Vermont's plan starts in 2026, requiring 35% of all cars purchased to be electric. This percentage will steadily increase, reaching 100% by 2030. By setting an earlier target date than most other states, Vermont demonstrates its strong commitment to rapidly reducing vehicle emissions and combating climate change. This aggressive timeline puts Vermont at the forefront of the transition to electric vehicles in the United States. Number 11. Virginia. The situation in Virginia is more complex. Republican lawmakers are pushing to separate the state of Virginia's emissions rules. Their most recent attempt was defeated in February, but the debate continues. These lawmakers argue that electric vehicles are too expensive and impractical for a large portion of the population, especially in rural areas. They express concerns about the affordability and feasibility of widespread EV adoption. This ongoing debate in Virginia highlights the challenges some states face in balancing environmental goals with perceived economic and practical concerns. Number 12. Connecticut. Connecticut initially considered joining other states in banning gas car sales and adopting zero-emission vehicles by 2035. The plan hit a roadblock due to opposition lawmakers. A special session held earlier this year was meant to reach a conclusion on the legislation, but no bipartisan solution was agreed upon. As a result, Democratic lawmakers in the state have abandoned the adoption of a gas-powered vehicle ban for now. This situation in Connecticut illustrates the political challenges some states face in implementing sweeping changes to transportation policies. Maine, Pennsylvania, New Mexico. Several other states are considering banning gas-powered cars, but haven't taken definitive action yet. In Maine, a civilian petition in May 2023 urged the regulatory body to adopt the Advanced Clean Cars Act standards. Public hearings have been held, with the most recent in March. If adopted, Maine would institute California's gas-powered car ban in 2028. Pennsylvania, in accordance with its adherence to California's emissions legislation, has agreed to adopt the Advanced Clean Cars Act regulations. The state hasn't yet released specifics about what its ACC2 rules might look like. New Mexico is also following California's lead, seeming to lean towards limiting gas-powered car sales by 2035. These states' actions show how the movement towards electric vehicles is gaining momentum across diverse regions of the country. Can I still buy a used gas-powered car? The new regulations don't force anyone to stop driving their current automobile. You can keep your gas-powered car as long as you want. The rules also don't prevent you from buying a used gas-powered car. These laws focus on new car sales, not the existing vehicles on the road. You can even buy a new gas-powered car in another state and register it locally if you choose. Since only 12 states have adopted Section 177 of the Clean Air Act so far, there will likely be a strong market for gas-powered vehicles in America for many years to come. This means that even as new electric vehicle sales increase, consumers will still have plenty of options when it comes to purchasing used gas-powered cars. The road ahead. The shift to electric vehicles in the United States is gaining speed, with 12 states leading the way by banning new gas-powered car sales in the coming years. This change aims to cut emissions and fight climate change, marking a big step in America's automotive future. Remember, these changes mainly affect new car sales. You can still keep your current gas-powered vehicle or buy a used one. The key is to stay informed and prepared for the evolving automotive landscape. One thing is clear: the future of driving in America is electric. As we move forward, we'll all play a part in shaping this revolution on our roads. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description